Good girl. Oh. Yes. Yay. Pay off for that. Pay off for that. Good girl. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring the food, move that box, bring the food down to her from here. So it's going to come from here down to her.
Okay.
Do it again and pay off with whatever you got too. Good girl. Nice job. Okay, go find more. Yeah, that was tough and she did it. It's easier for the taller dogs. Like Scruffy would have a hard time with that because it's so tall. Yes, there is. Alert. Alert, alert. Good job, miss. Beautiful. Fantastic. So smart. All right, that's it. Fantastic. That was excellent.